All right. Well, the guy's just leaving. Uh, let's take a tour of the underside of the car. Turn the light on. And hope I have enough room under here. All right, as you can see, the headers are in. This one's in as well. It's a pain in the ass. Oh, he didn't do the steering shaft. Oh well, I can do that. That's easy. But yeah, the starter is mostly in, not totally. Let's see. He's coming back to put in the starter. So all I really have to do is put the O2 sensors in. And I gotta find out where. Okay, so that particular one right there is the rear O2 sensor. So I can imagine that this is the O2 sensor for on this side. And then these two are probably the O2 sensors over here. Or no, I don't know. That he tore, the last guy tore out all of the wire harness from up above here. So I don't know which one of these. Probably this one, actually. This one's probably the one that goes up over the tunnel. Okay. But this one is the O2 sensor for over here, I believe. So if that's the case, that's probably the rear one because it needs to be extended. Okay. So both of these are probably the front sensors. I would love to have the. That is not loot. It looks. Oh, that definitely is not on there all the way. There's definitely a gap there. Oh well, whatever. So let's see. Let's swap those over like that. This is supposed to go in this hole here. I'm fairly certain, and I can't do it with that hand. Maybe this is supposed to go downward. Yeah, there. That is there even a? Yeah, there is. Come on, get in the hole. Maybe no. Definitely not that side. It's got to go in on this side. Whoops. Okay. Oh, you are still recording. Okay, good. The battery on my phone is about to die. So we will come back to this when we can. So, yeah. Don't know what else to say, but Basically, it's just hooking the starter up, hooking the rest of the O2 sensors, which I need to get a new one because the dumbass from before, where is it? Yeah, he cut the damn wires, and he cut it in a place where it's like right up against the O2 sensor, so I'm forced to buy a new one. Other than that, this is probably going to be yet another week before I can get back to work on this car again. I'll probably do some stuff tomorrow, as I'm off tomorrow as well. I'm thinking the car is at the point where I can throw the rest of the exhaust on. But I don't want to lower the front of the car just yet. I'll probably put on the H-pipe. I'll fit the H-pipe and the axle, or the two pipes that go from the H-pipe to the rear of the car. I'll fit those, but the mufflers are probably going to have to stay off. I really need to figure out those mid pipes. But other than that, this is going to be it. I had to stop the recording a couple times. Not because I wanted to skip time, but because we had taken a break, yeah, so that's why I had stopped some the video for a little bit, and there might be some missing. But other than that, I'm basically on my creeper, laying down, and I need to get up. But that's going to be tough for me. So, see y'all later.